Hey, quick question. When you think of vitamin A, what's the first thing that pops into your head? If you said carrots, you're not alone. We've all been told that carrots are the secret to superhero vision, and they are good for you, don't get me wrong. A medium carrot gives you about 509 micrograms of vitamin A. But what if I told you that the humble carrot isn't even in the top 5? In fact, there are everyday foods that blow it out of the water. So why should we even care about vitamin A? Well, think of it as your body's multi-talented superstar. It's essential for sharp vision, especially in low light. It keeps your skin glowing, your immune system strong, and helps your cells grow and repair. Basically, it's a big deal. The recommended daily intake is about 900 micrograms for men and 700 for women. Now here's a cool fact. Vitamin A comes in 2 forms. There's retinol, which you get from animal products. It's a ready-to-use potent form. Then there are carotenoids from plants, which your body cleverly converts into vitamin A as needed. This is important to remember, and we'll come back to why. Alright, let's get to the countdown. Here are 6 foods that have way more vitamin A than a carrot. Coming in at number 6, we have cooked spinach. Just half a cup packs 573 micrograms. It's super easy to throw into a smoothie, an omelet, or just saute with some garlic. Easy peasy. At number 5, it's pumpkin. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin delivers a cozy 902 micrograms. That's already a full day's worth for men. And there's so much more you can do with it than just make pie. Think pumpkin soup, roasted pumpkin, or even pumpkin curry. Now for number 4, we're switching to the animal-based side with liverwurst. A single slice of this stuff contains a whopping 495 micrograms of that ready-to-use retinol. It's an incredibly efficient way to get your vitamin A. But hold on, because number 3 is a plant-based powerhouse, the sweet potato. A single large baked sweet potato boasts an incredible 1,730 micrograms. That's nearly double the daily recommendation for men, and it's delicious, versatile, and super affordable. Okay, are you ready for the absolute beast of vitamin A sources? At number 2, we have beef liver. Just a 3-ounce serving provides a staggering 6,582 micrograms. That's over 7 times the daily need for a man. It is, without a doubt, nature's most concentrated source of vitamin A. So beef liver is the winner, right? Technically, yes, but here's the twist. Remember those 2 forms of vitamin A? The retinol in liver is so potent that you can actually get too much of a good thing, which can be toxic. You definitely don't want to eat beef liver every day. This is why my number 1 practical winner for everyday wellness is the sweet potato. It's loaded with carotenoids, the plant-based form. Your body only converts what it needs, so you can't overdo it. It's safe, it's effective, and it's delicious. So while carrots are great, it's time to expand our horizons. Your body will thank you for the variety. Add some spinach to your breakfast. Enjoy a baked sweet potato for lunch and explore the amazing world of nutrient-dense foods. A colorful plate is a healthy plate. Eat well and stay vibrant.